Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechHands. So today I get the one warning notification while I try to access the one website via my Google Chrome web browser, and the message is your connection is not fully secure and this site uses an outdated security configuration which may expose your information, for example passwords, message or credit cards, when it is sent to the site. And in bottom also it shows the one error code. So and then I try to press advanced option. So in this section it also shows some technical informations, but you can leave it. But most of them raising one question, and the question is, there is possible to access this kind of websites? And my answer is yes, possible. But if you access this kind of websites, they may be steal your informations like saved credit card details, passwords and etc. So and then I try to check this website certificates by simply press this red color not secure icon and then go to certificate. But these website certificates are not invalid, which means that it has more dates to expiration. So just close this window. And also I have the one doubt, if this URL is also shows the same warning notification in Mozilla Firefox or not. So how to check it? So just copy that URL and then open your Mozilla Firefox, and in this URL section you can paste that copied URL and then click to access it. But this website is successfully opening and it does not show any error notifications. At same time you can note one thing, this Firefox also shows the same warning message, and it exactly shows the reason this page uses weak encryption. So the conclusion of this tutorial is, don't access this kind of websites, and one or more time you can think before you enter your details. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechHands, and thanks for watching.